Hey guys. Okay, so last Christmas, one of my friends, Joanne, talked to me and told me all about a Hydra Facial, which I'd never heard of and I was intrigued by. But to be totally honest, facials have never been something I've been really excited about. I don't like them. You know, they go in, they pick your zits. It's painful. I'm not really a big fan. But, so I had this awesome membership at Spa 810 for a while, and, so I could go get a massage once a month, or do a facial. And so Joanne worked at Spa 810, and she just kept telling me, oh my gosh, you've got to try the Hydra Facial. It's amazing. So, last week, my skin was feeling super dry. You know, it's just that time of year. No matter how much moisture you put into it, my skin just didn't feel fabulous. So I decided to just suck it up and go try the Hydra Facial. And I loved it. It was absolutely amazing. So if you've never gotten one before, I highly encourage you to look it up and see if it's something that you would be willing to do. Okay. So basically they take like this little, this is what I know. Okay. This is my expertise. They go ahead and it feels like they're spritzing water on you over and over and over, and it has some sort of a suction in it, so it's pulling junk out of your skin as well as it's doing like an exfoliation inside deep, okay, which is amazing. So one of the things I learned is that I am not exfoliating enough, so I need to be better about exfoliating. I need to do it I need to do it twice a week. Honestly, I've been really lax about exfoliating, and I've been probably doing it maybe once a month, which I know is terrible. And as you get older, it gets harder and harder for your skin to maintain its elasticity and to look as amazing, which are all things I know, but I just haven't been making time for the exfoliation. So, Senegence has 3 amazing exfoliators. Two actually that I would really push. The other one is more of a detoxifier, so it's still fabulous, but the exfoliators, so one of them kind of has a sugar scrub type consistency, the other one has a clay like consistency, but they're both awesome. So I am just going to pick 2 days. My days are Tuesday and Saturday. So on Tuesday and Saturday, every single week, I am going to exfoliate my face with one of these. And another thing I learned, so I have been exfoliating here and there when I do remember, which I know is awful, but I haven't been doing it long enough. Like, you don't want to be like harsh with it and like rub and scrub. It's really something like you just want to rub, and it's not just a rub and wash. Like, you really want to just make sure that you're putting it all around, and you can do it for a while. So that's something I'm going to be working on this month of January. So if you want to join me in my exfoliation process this month, I have got to be better about it. But okay, back to the Hydra Facial. So they infuse your skin with hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid. They put all kinds of good stuff in your skin, and it helps to exfoliate and pull out any junk, oil, stuff that is accumulated in your skin. And yes, what my esthetician told me was that my skin, I had some clogged pores just because I'm not exfoliating. And as you get older, your skin needs it even more than when you were younger. So make sure you are taking time to exfoliate. Whatever you're using, just use it and be consistent. Once a week, at least twice a week. If you're old like me, then it's time to do twice a week. So exfoliate, but don't overdo it. And just make sure that you're taking, it's not just a quick rub across and wash. You like really need to rub it in, right? Make it good. But the Hydra Facial was awesome. At the end, she showed me, it was about 10-20 cc's of fluid, which when she started was clear, right? And when she pulled it out, it was like a yellowish with like junk in it. It was just gross what comes out of your skin. So she said most of it to her looked like it was oil, which makes sense. I have normal to oily skin, so I do have quite a bit of oil in my skin, but a lot of that was probably just clogged because I haven't been exfoliating well. So note to self, exfoliate. And go get a Hydra Facial because it's super fun and it feels amazing, and my skin is so soft right now. It just feels amazing. Yesterday I was a little more red, which she said is normal. You just kind of calm down, your skin goes back to normal. So anyway, feel pretty good, amazing today. I put on really natural, neutral makeup. Didn't even put on lip color today and just am kind of enjoying the day. So talk to you later. Bye.